To set up Monday.com tasks, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to create tasks. A board in Monday.com is a visual representation of your workflow, and it is made up of different columns and rows that represent various stages of your workflow. First, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the board to create a new item, which will represent your task. You can then give your task a name and add a description to provide more context. This is a good place to include any relevant details about the task, such as deadlines or specific requirements. Next, assign the task to a team member by clicking on the person icon and selecting the team member from the drop-down list. You can also set a deadline for the task by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a due date. To add more structure to your task, you can create sub-items by clicking on the three-dot icon and selecting Add Sub-Item. Sub-items are smaller tasks that are related to the main task, and they can be used to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. Another important feature in Monday.com is the ability to add columns to your board. Columns can be used to track different types of information, such as status, priority, or progress. To add a column, click on the plus icon at the top of the board and select the type of column you want to add. Finally, to get the most out of Monday.com, it is a good idea to establish a routine of regularly reviewing and updating your tasks. This can help you stay on top of your work and ensure that everything is running smoothly. By following these steps and using the features of Monday.com, you can create a streamlined and efficient workflow that helps you get more done in less time.